What if one of the most overlooked factors in supporting breast health isn't found in a scan or a lab test, but in your gut? It may sound unexpected, but scientists are uncovering fascinating links between your gut microbiome and aspects of your overall health, including breast health. For years, we've focused on genetics, hormones, and lifestyle choices. But what if an entire internal ecosystem, which you influence every single day, plays a far bigger role than we ever imagined? By the end of this video, you'll see why protecting your gut may be one of the smartest moves you can make, and I'll reveal 3 powerful, science-backed steps you can start using today. But before that, there's a key question we need to explore. If I told you that trillions of invisible organisms inside you may quietly shape your health outcomes, how would that change the way you eat or live? Section 1. The problem. A hidden network. For most of medical history, bacteria were considered only harmful. But now, researchers describe your body as a host to an astonishing 38 trillion microorganisms, most of them in your gut. This community, called the gut microbiome, helps digest food, produce vitamins, train the immune system, and even influence mood. When balanced, it works like an efficient, well-trained team. But when it becomes imbalanced, a state known as dysbiosis, less helpful microbes can take over, sometimes encouraged by poor diet, high stress, or antibiotic overuse. Studies now suggest this imbalance might influence more than digestion, possibly affecting how your body handles certain hormones, inflammation, and immune responses. Some research is even investigating differences in the gut microbiome of people with and without breast cancer. The way you eat and manage stress could be feeding or starving certain microbes, and those shifts may ripple out to many areas of your health, not just digestion. Section 2. Hormones and AMP. The gut connection. One possible pathway being studied is estrogen regulation. Many breast cancers are sensitive to estrogen levels in the body. Normally, your liver processes excess estrogen and sends it to your gut for removal. Within your gut is a group of microbes called the estrobolome. Their role is to help regulate estrogen. But if dysbiosis occurs, certain microbes may produce too much of an enzyme called beta-glucuronidase, which can release estrogen back into the bloodstream. Some scientists believe this could influence total estrogen exposure over time. If your gut could recycle hormones without you knowing, what small daily choices would you reconsider? Section 3. Inflammation and AMP. The tissue environment. Another factor being explored is inflammation. The intestinal lining is only 1 cell thick, serving as a barrier between your gut and the rest of your body. When this barrier is weakened, compounds from gut bacteria may cross into the bloodstream, potentially sparking low-grade, long-term inflammation. Chronic inflammation is being studied for its possible role in creating a body environment where cancer cells might find it easier to grow or spread. Animal studies have even shown that disturbing the gut microbiome can lead to changes in breast tissue, though human research is still ongoing. Something as simple as eating more fiber or managing stress could help maintain a balanced microbiome, possibly reducing inflammatory responses that might impact long-term health. Section 4. Supporting a healthier gut. Here's where the story shifts from concern to action. While no food or diet can guarantee prevention or treatment, research suggests certain patterns may help nurture a healthier microbiome. 1. Fiber. First, found in vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains, fiber feeds beneficial bacteria, which in turn produce compounds like butyrate that help maintain gut lining health. 2. Eat the rainbow. Colorful plant foods contain polyphenols that act as antioxidants and support diverse gut bacteria. 3. Include fermented foods. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi provide probiotics that can boost microbiome diversity. At the same time, limiting processed foods and added sugars can help keep less helpful microbes from dominating. If every bite you took was a vote for or against your gut's health, how many of your meals this week would you be proud of? Earlier, I asked how knowing about trillions of invisible organisms might change your daily choices. The answer? Every meal, every night of sleep, every moment you spend managing stress could be shaping that inner ecosystem and possibly influencing far more of your health than we've realized. By taking steps to care for your gut, you may be supporting your body in ways that ripple through your immune system, hormone balance, and beyond. The research is still unfolding, but the power to start supporting your gut health is already in your hands.